Condensed milk cookies, one of the most delicious cookies you can try. So easy to make. It takes only 5 minutes with your hand. You don't need mixture, you don't need pedal, you don't need just your hand, and follow instruction. You have just amazing condensed milk cookies. Let's go. So easy recipe. 70 gram butter, 40 gram icing sugar, pinch of salt, 80 gram of condensed milk, pinch of vanilla, 200 gram all-purpose flour, 10 gram corn flour. Corn flour on top of the flour, just pinch of vanilla. I have vanilla powder. If you can add vanilla sugar or vanilla extract will be much better. Just mix 70 gram of butter with 40 gram of icing sugar. Just mix to be smooth. After that I use the whisk to be creamy. It takes only 3 minutes just to make it so creamy, shiny white. And then I added pinch of salt, that too much, just a little. And then 80 gram of condensed milk. This cookies is so delicious and so tasty, you will love it. Then I mix all together to emulsify all ingredients and becomes more creamy. That's it. Now the time to mix is the flour. I added 200 gram flour, 10 gram corn flour together. Just mix until all ingredients emulsify and become soft dough. Just mix with your hand to combine all ingredients. So soft and so easy dough. Just make sure that you take the bottom and you absorb all flour and dry ingredients with the moist batter. Now the dough is soft and so easy to mold it. Be sure that there is no leftover of any flour. Here I bring rolling pin. I roll it square shape, 16 milli high, not more than 2 centimeter high maximum. And then make sure that all flat and same size. You can see the extra one. I just push. And then I cut with the ruler. You can cut with knife, but make sure you not cut with knife on top of silpat sheet. I cut all 2 by 2 centimeter square, which is so easy. You can make a lot of ingredient, a lot of quantity in short times. Now I cut all. What I do with leftover, just so easy. We roll it to be a different shape, or you can mix it all together and they make square shape, then you cut again. But I prefer to take this all edges round. What we do, and just separate it 2 centimeter each. Here you can add any nuts in syrup, heavy syrup. 100 gram sugar, 50 gram water, just boil, and you can dip any nuts you wish to do just for 10 minutes. The nuts will absorb the moist of the syrup, and when you bake it, the nuts will not burn and in same times it will stick inside the cookies. So the syrup is so easy, just to soak it. You can use any kind of nuts you wish. I bake 140 Celsius for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can see it's shiny, it cooks, and it's so delicious. You can add it direct when it comes from the oven, icing sugar, or you can leave it plain, or you can dip in chocolate. Thanks for being my channel, guys. Please make like and share.